Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on the making of linefollower robot. I'll guide you step by step. First, you need 3x9 panel, a 9 panel, DC motors, IR sensors, L brackets, tires, battery cases. First up, we are going to attach 9 panel with 3x9 panel with the help of rivets. Then take an embedded controller and adjust it to the structure according to the video. Take some more 9 panels to surround the embedded controller. Attach them as shown in the video. Turn the structure upside down. Take some L brackets and one 3x9 panel. Attach the L brackets with the 3x9 panel with the help of rivets. Put rivets on the free ends of L brackets and attach it to the base structure. Take out 2 DC motors and 2 tires. Attach rivets to the tires as shown in the video. Then attach them to the DC motor. Same apparatus for the other tire. Take out some L brackets and attach them to the DC motor with the help of rivets. Attach tires with a DC motor to the base structure. Same goes for the other one. Turn the structure to the right side. Then take some IR sensors and L brackets out the box. Attach L brackets with the 3x9 panel by turning the structure upside down. Continue attaching the L brackets with the base structure as shown in the video. Take an IR sensor and attach it to the free ends of L brackets with the help of rivets. Attach 3 IR sensors in the same motion. Attach L brackets on the both sides of the base structure. Take out some battery cases and attach them to the free ends of L brackets with the help of rivets. The same apparatus goes for the both sides. Now let's have a look at the wiring. The sensors we are using here are working as an input, so we will attach them in the inputs. The right one goes in 0, the left one goes in 1, and the middle one goes in 2. Attach the DC motors in A and B port. And the battery cases go in the battery case port. The structure of linefollower robot is done. Hope you understood.